So this is my Ridgid light. I hang it or I mount it on the wall, and it's very easy for me to reach up and turn it on, and it lights up my whole workbench. Just press the button on the side and you see it comes on. It's pretty bright. Hopefully you can work that out. It's dimmable. There's a rotating switch, so I can just turn it down if I need to. But why would you ever do that? I normally use it at full brightness. And you can tilt it all that way, and because mine's mounted on the wall, it's only in that direction. But we've got these barn door lights that will spin both ways, either side, so that will help light up any other areas that are in the zone that you need lit. I've got it plugged into the mains here right now, but it takes a full Ridgid battery, so I normally use the 18 volt batteries here. I've got one actually plugged in, so I take either of those. The 4 amp hour normally lasts about 30 minutes at full power, so it's worth knowing as well. So that's great. That means it's very, very portable. So I'll just close in now. I'll bring you in and give you a closer look. So this is the Ridgid folding work light. It undoes like this and closes up nicely, so you can just pick it up by the handle. The handle kind of sits at the bottom. It's a bit of a funny one, so a lot of people will just sit it down and just pick it up that way. But when it's going to sit on a bench, it would actually sit on that kind of stand and gives you that full rotatability. The base has a really useful 20-point threaded screw, which will fit onto every tripod that you find out there, photographic tripod. It has a button on the side, so you push that on to turn the light on. Of course, what I need to do is show you the battery first. So this side we've got the battery compartment and also the area where you would plug in your mains lead. So I'll just slide a battery in, and now I can show you that if I turn this on here, here is our on and off button. So I'll open this up, press that button, and obviously it comes on. There's a rotator switch here that dims and brightens the light. Okay, and you can just fold these to wherever you want to light. If I close it up whilst the lights are on, I'll just turn it off. There's a little tightening screw here which loosens this if you want to loosen that, so that's great. In terms of mounting options, it's fantastic because you've got the ability to mount it on 2 screws straight onto a wall, which is what I do. I can put it on the wall and it will then just sit above your workbench, or you can just sit it on the floor, open it up and light the area that you want to light. So that's really, really useful, and it's super bright. So that's the Ridgid folding work light. I have 2 of these and I couldn't be happier.